Welcome back to PresCo. I'm the BiznessPres, and today we're looking into the daily trend. Got some juicy details. We're going to look at Bitcoin, we're going to look at Ethereum, we're going to look at XRP, we're going to look at the DeFi perpetual index to make sure the Uniswap FUD didn't play out. We're going to single out VeChain, and we're going to have a look at Stonks and the overall market as well. So, looking at Bitcoin here, you can see it's approaching the all-time high. Whoops, I forgot to clean them off. My bad. I'll explain those in a minute. We'll just quickly look at the Bitcoin. As we can see, we're making kind of a bull flag. And we did break to the upside, which means this bull flag is most likely going to continue. And we're getting ever so close to the golden cross and the EMA, the moving averages, being in bullish formation. What we've also seen down on the MACD is we're about to get this cross to the upside. And if we don't break out of this top here, then we might see some more consolidation sideways. But if we do get a clean break, safe to say we're going to make new all-time highs. And on the RSI, we come down, nearly touch the 50. So from here, bullish, we can just go straight up. Sideways, we just come down, double tap the bottom, or the 50, sorry, and then continue. And bearish, we just, for some reason, break through the 50. But I don't see any real reason for that. Like I said, momentum's on our side. We're anticipating big things. Well, that's Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. And as you can see, Ethereum's looking juicy as well. It's got its own bull flag into this ascending channel. So while it was consolidating upwards. That shows you how strong Ethereum is. All right, it found support on the EMA and it broke out quite heavily. It's looking good, looking good. If we look at the RSI, I'm slightly concerned if we don't take out this top that we're going to see a big correction. We'll just have to see. Okay, that's all I'm keeping my eyes on. Other than that, we look bullish. Okay, inverse head and shoulders, we broke out, we made this consolidation bull pennant, and then we broke out of that also. The MACD, we got a confirmed cross. Again, if we don't break out, we might see some more sideways. Otherwise, if we do break out, we're going to see all-time highs for Ethereum also. Taking a look into XRP. You can see we're still a fair way away from all-time highs, but this is one of the most bullish setups we've got going. Okay, just look at this bull flag. It is clean. Got a nice pole there into support and resistance, and we see we double bottomed on the EMA. We've had the golden cross. MACD is about to cross up. RSI come and found the 50 and bounced. This is one of the most bullish setups for XRP. So we may have a bit of a rejection right now. As you can see, we can draw this top resistance a couple of different ways. We can go across the top, we can include the wicks. You know, trend lines are not the most accurate because they're disputable. But, you know, breakout, retest, continue. You know, there's a couple ways you could draw this. We might be running into resistance in a sideways channel. Then again, I'm pretty sure it's a bull flag and we've made the breakout and the retest. We might come down a little bit more sideways, but I don't see us going too bearish. XRP looks good. Looking at the DeFi perpetual index, because we had a bit of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt over the Uniswap case. Will that play out? Not sure. Uniswap's actually looking good on the charts. And this index covers all of DeFi. So you've got your RV, your compound, your synthetics, literally everything. It's an index. And you can see we're going up. We're going up. Okay. Unfazed by the bad news. And now we're going to look at VeChain. We're going to single out VeChain. VeChain's setting up quite bullish also. Okay, we've had crossover on the EMA. We've had the bounce on the 50 and then a bounce off of it. And you can see on the price where we've consolidated, it is looking like that bull flag. So this is a pattern. This is one of the most bullish patterns we can get. Draw the pole to the breakout, and that's your target. Oops. So our target is close to the all-time high. You know? And from here, it's still a 40% run. That's pretty good. And like I said, we've got momentum on our side. We are bullish. So overall, the market looks very bullish. We've got VeChain looking good, XRP looking good, Ethereum looking fantastic, and Bitcoin looking like it's going to make some serious moves. If we go into... Oh, hang on. Sorry for a sec. So we see VeChain's looking good, but we're going to compare it to Bitcoin to see which is going to make us more gains. VeChain BTC. We can see it looks bullish. This looks very bullish. These are the cycles that we have. It comes and goes in waves. And this blue line is a key level. Okay, there's been a few key levels, but we broke that. We bottomed, we broke out. We're past this. Okay, this wick come all the way down here. This is another key level, but I've got this level up a bit higher. You know, we broke down, we kind of flipped it here, and then we got rejected by it, and then finally we flipped it. Zooming in from the crash to now, we see we've actually made one of those bull flags, one of those bullish pennants. A descending channel that we've broken out of and looking to continue, picked up by moving average support. So yeah, there's our immediate target. We'll probably get some consolidation there, and no doubt we'll continue to break all-time highs. I'm looking for everything to break out and make all-time highs. But there is a couple things we need to watch out for. Okay, this is the Dixie, the dollar index. We've fallen down to the bottom of the channel, and we seem to be hitting some support. So if we can just get rejected and come down, I mean, that will be fantastic because that's bullish for cryptos. We don't have to get it. If it's what I want, then it probably won't happen because the market doesn't do what I want. Not all the time. The SP 500 index, looking pretty strong. It's just trending up, just trending up. NASDAQ, the same, just trending up, even breaking up, making new all-time highs, hey? How's all that money printing going? Straight into the stocks. Okay, Dow Jones going a bit sideways. You know, if we get picked up, we could see a big move. The volatility index is still low, which is good. Okay, when we see it break really high, that's bad. That's off risk and into something stable like your fiat currencies. Whereas we're quite low at the moment, and as you can see, the market is bullish. So we'll be keeping my eye on that, especially if we break out of this trend line. I mean, you can see, what was that, March 20. Go have a look at the March 20. You see what I mean. Okay, and that's pretty much all. Let's have a look at gold for the fun of it. It's looking good. It's looking like it's making its own bull flag, which I'm sure it'll break out of. Silver. Okay. That's close. Hey, look, I'm still bullish on silver. Unfortunately, I bought at the top in this little triangle here. Back when I didn't know charts. Okay, it broke down. That would have been a great time to reaccumulate. But look, silver's for the long term. Silver's insurance against the dollar anyway, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. I'm glad I got some, no matter what the price. All right, that seems to be about it. I think I covered everything. If not, I'll cover more in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Thanks for watching till the end. I didn't close that screen down last time, so the last video I made was literally talking to myself, so don't even worry about that. I'll be updating the website soon. Links are in the description. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.